In this video, you will learn how to install your fall detect sensor on a wall. It's pretty simple, so let's look at how it's done. The first step is to mark the holes where you want the camera to be. Make sure the camera is at least 7.5 feet from the floor. If you haven't done so yet, check out our tutorials in our help center to learn how to choose the best location for your camera. Drill the 2 holes you have marked using a drill. Push the anchors by hand in the holes you've just drilled, then lightly tap them using a hammer. Attach the camera mount to the wall with the screws. The next step is to mount the camera. Place the camera on the mount and turn it clockwise 90 degrees. Make sure the power cord is attached to the camera and plugged in, and that it is adjusted 30 degrees so that it faces down after mounting. Now you can install the covers. Pick the cover that is cut at a slight angle and attach it behind the sensor. Attach the other covers down the wall. The final installation should look something like this. That's it. Pretty simple, right? To learn more about fall detect, visit the FAQ.